Welcome to Assembly Guide Racer 3-in-1 Trike for manufacture by Dash Toys. Main body, front wheel with handle, footrest, rear wheels, seat with seat cover, complete handrest with take, canopy, front basket, rear basket, blowing handle, front mudguard, parental handle pipe, flute pipe, movement wire, hardware, insert axle pin into the wheel. Secure the axle pin using the circlip as shown. Insert axle into the rear side of the frame as shown. Cover axle pin with axle cap. Insert front mudguard into fork as shown. Now insert fork into the front side of the frame as shown. Insert front basket into the fork as shown. After that, insert handle into the fork as shown and secure it by tightening the knob. Place the seat onto the frame as shown. Fix it by butterfly nut. Insert the flute pipe as shown. Insert the ring into the flute pipe. Secure it by screw. Insert the footrest and secure it with nut and bolt as shown. Insert the rear and front side of the movement wire as shown. Insert the complete handrest into the main body. Lock it with lock button. Secure blowing handle to the parental pipe using nut bolt. Insert the parental pipe into the flute pipe. Securely insert the canopy into the pipe as shown. Place the rear basket onto the rear side of the frame. Now this tricycle is ready for your baby to ride on.